Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am talking about the Lime Crime Velvetines Liquid Matte Lipstick in Red Velvet. I'll get to the color in just a couple minutes, but let me tell you a little bit about the product. It's a bold and opaque style. It's a very smooth lipstick created to express your personality. The Red Velvet is a true red lip stain with a groundbreaking formula that goes on liquid and dries completely matte. It's actually touch-proof, transfer-proof, long-wearing, and, as they say, utterly addictive. It's a very long-lasting lipstick. I can totally attest to that. You put it on, it dries matte, it looks really beautiful, you can drink, you can eat. Only thing I notice is sometimes when you wipe with a napkin, a little bit comes off, but I've tried kissing my husband with it and nothing comes off, which is kind of amazing for something that is not, some people have said that it's drying. I did not find it to be drying at all, but they suggest to put on a lip balm for maybe like 15 minutes before you put this lip gloss on or lip product on. This what do they call it? The liquid matte lipstick, basically. So it goes on kind of glossy and then dries to a nice matte finish that, like I said, is transfer proof. It's long lasting. And then also, one of their taglines is to live unapologetically. If you like to live unapologetically, Lime Crime is for you. We are a color revolution and committed to producing the most awesome, true to color, cruelty-free cosmetics. And once again, cruelty-free and it's cruelty-free and vegan. Our products are from vegan materials, and we never test on animals. So once again, it makes the bunny test, so that does not harm any bunnies in the process, which is great. I've heard nothing but good things about this line. There's also there's lip liner that you can get. There are different ones that are glossy. They basically say, one of their other things is that they say it's makeup for unicorns, which is kind of fun. And here's how to apply it. So I'm going to take it out of the box. You can take a look at the box. It's really cute. Lime Crime Velvetine. It's around $20. And so I'm going to take it out of the box here. So how do you apply it? Here's the process to make sure your lips stay flake-free and your velveteen color is long-lasting. You can exfoliate with, usually you can get a sugar scrub. There's a really good exfoliator at the Body Shop for your lips, to exfoliate your lips, to get any flakes on them. I don't really have to exfoliate my lips. My lips are pretty moisturized, so I don't really have to. I can skip that. So I can skip that. But this, once again, the Red Velvet, which is a really nice, beautiful, beautiful color. Wait till you see it. Do the rest of your makeup. And so basically they're saying to put your lipstick on last. Wipe off the excess lip balm. And this is what the tube looks like. It's Red Velvet. Don't know how many ounces this is. Let me see if I can see. I don't know. I actually talked to someone after I had just tried this on at a store and talked about how much I loved this lipstick, and she told me, she said, oh my god, I have 12 of those. So I said, that's kind of a problem. So anyway, so wipe off the excess from your lip balm and use a thin coat of the Velvetines, starting with the center of your lip and then work out towards the corners. If you use too many layers, it won't dry appropriately, which will prevent it from lasting a long time. So you want to go less is more with this. So I'm going to show you on my hand what it looks like. So it's a nice creamy finish. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. And see how it's shiny now. It's still wet, but you can blend it out. That you don't need to start with a huge amount, but you blend it out and it will dry to a nice matte finish. And I promise you, this is probably one of my favorite lipsticks I've ever gotten. I actually thought Russian Red by MAC was my favorite lip color, but now I'm starting to switch over to Lime Crime and thinking this is my favorite red. So it's a wonderful color. I highly recommend it. Highly pigmented, transfer proof. Didn't have any problems with it smudging. So I highly recommend this. And also, I have a couple other products that I'll be looking at soon from Lime Crime, and I've heard nothing but good things. So, Makeup for Unicorns, it's made in Los Angeles and cruelty free. So, and it actually smells good too. I think it smells a little bit like vanilla. So, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. Lime Crime, Velvetines in red velvet, very appropriate for the name of the product. So don't take my word for it, try it yourself. I think you'll really like it. Thanks for watching.